Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, heading for cardio. It's about 6 a.m. Almost 10 more days left. I'm excited, making a lot of progress. Cardio and abs in the morning help really tighten my midsections a lot more. It's very effective. Works a lot. So I suggest if you guys are struggling, and trying to tighten up your midsections, morning cardio, if you don't have access to a treadmill, anything, you can just walk and try to keep your heart rate down. If you're walking, you don't need to go fast. But it's very effective. Alright, check back in a little bit.
Hey everyone, today is Sunday. I did my cardio this morning, went to church, prepped my food, the usual. I haven't changed anything for the most part. Waffle, chicken and brown rice, the usual. All the boring stuff. But, that's what it is. You just got to keep doing the same thing over and over again. I'm okay. I can do this forever. But my wife, she's getting tired of the smell of chicken and and then when I cook it, she's like, oh my goodness. But anyway, I might have to change the meal for her a little bit. But to me, it's just no big deal. I'm planning on eating this for the next 6 months or so. I could do it. Anyway, so today is just a rest day, So I did cardio, prepped the food for the next 2-3 days. And then, the rest, no strength training today. So I'm letting my body recuperate. And tomorrow will be another day. We're going to do back and we're going to hit triceps. Got calves and early morning. Got to do cardio. So between cardio, calves, and strength training, I'm spending at least 3.5 hours a day in training, okay? Just to kind of give you guys a heads up. It's not for everybody, but if you manage your time, you might be able to do it. I have the luxury of doing, personal training, virtual, and also I manage my time. So just to make sure I get my stuff done earlier, okay? But anyway, today is a rest day. Alright, I'll check back in tomorrow morning. Probably it's going to be at 3:30 a.m. morning tomorrow because I have clients at 6. Alright? Take care. We'll check back in tomorrow.